Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So I am starting this timer, 10 minutes. I think it started now. So my hope is that within 10 minutes, I will be able to build a workflow for this particular product. It's a shoe, it's a women's shoe, and we will be able to create some cool images for social media or the web or a website. And this product belongs to Valentino Garavani. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, these are the images that I could find on this website. Now, I'm going to use Flora as I mentioned, and Flora, this is the main landing page of this particular tool called Flora. It's as the landing page or the hero image says, your intelligent canvas, every creative AI tool thoughtfully connected, and we will see what it means. Okay, but in a short glimpse, you can see there is something like the sketch, this particular landscape, and then they are able to create an image using SeaDream. We will also play with that particular model, and then they use Higgsfield to create a video. Now they have a bunch of clients from these big companies, and they are focusing on fashion, advertising, photography, concepting, branding, and so on and so forth. They have these uh, video models, image models, text models, LLMs that we will play with in this video. Okay, so let's jump on to building the workflow that I'm talking about. We are already 1.5 minutes down, and I think I'm gonna be complaining later on that it was a very short amount of time. Anyways, let's try to focus on using these images and creating prompts. So I will just simply drag this and I will get options to select among these three: text, image, video. We will use text. Okay, I will also connect this particular image and this image as well. And what I will be doing, first thing is I'm going to use Claude Opus. I don't want to use GPT-5 or Gemini 2.5 Pro. At least my experience says that Claude works and the Claude's Opus 4 works best for me. So I will simply try to analyze these images. Okay, let me zoom in because I can't see what I'm writing. Images of this women shoe. Try to focus on the material, color, design, and size. Okay, let's just write this. Even the spelling could be for a couple of words could be incorrect, but that's fine. AI is smart enough to understand. I'm going to create another text box. I just duplicated it. It's very easy. I could have also followed the same process, but you got to save time. So remove this prompt, um, analyze these images, and come up with professional, cool, stylish uh, concepts to promote this shoe swimming shoe. We are aiming to create concepts that can be turned to images that we will share on social media. Anyways, so, okay, so we have the result from the first text box. Let's take the workflow in the next phase. So I will connect another text box and I will connect the results from this text box to this text box. It's gonna be here in a couple of seconds, and I'm gonna use Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I'm simply gonna write, considering the outputs, please build build 5 prompts that I can then use to create images using NanoBanana. And you could have written something else also, but my point is that first text box analyze the product, its size, material, colors, and stuff like that. The other prompt is the other text box analyze the images and then come up with the will come up with the concepts where this shoe can be presented, showcased, and then we combined these two text boxes, and now we are expecting Gemini to come up with a couple of AI prompts which we will simply connect to our text to image models or image to image models. Yeah. We are waiting for the results, and the results are here. Now, if you see, there is a button called split list into blocks. I just simply click on it. What it does is, because we asked for 5 prompts, it intelligently understood that within this output, there are 5 prompts. And then we have these prompts. Now let's go to the next phase, where now we will uh, connect an image model. Here it by automatically says Imagen, but we don't want to use Imagen because we are going to not use image model. We are going to use image edit models, NanoBanana and SeaDream and maybe REVE. But let's connect the images of the shoe as well. So now at the moment, just to revise or just to recap, we have three creative, sorry, 5 creative prompts. Uh, and now we are going to use image model, image edit model, which is going to use the prompt and also the information for from these three shoes images. Okay, I want to use another image model. I'll just simply duplicate it, and I'm going to use SeaDream, which is also good. I'm going to use another one also, which is called REVE. So let's select REVE and let's run this. Okay, I have not even read the prompt, so let's have a quick look at the prompt. A dynamic high fashion action shot of a model mid jump of an urban basketball court. Okay, something like sporty kind of a scene. So let's see the results from NanoBanana, SeaDream, and REVE. Now, okay, I think we have the first result, and it looks cool, right? It looks cool. This is a basketball court. The shoe looks perfect, at least from a distance. It doesn't have to have like everything to the point because it's a lifestyle or maybe a stylistic shot. When we have a zoom in or a close up, we want the details to be very precise. Like this shot is also so stylish, and I think the details looks good. We can surely improve the output because uh, but it depends on the input images, because if I zoom in, you can see the images are not very crisp and it's in the WebP format. So if these images, yeah, so my system actually shut down. I forgot to charge it. But yeah, the point I was making is that if you have a high quality, crisp images, then the output will be also be of good quality. So it depends heavily, or maybe certainly it depends upon the quality of the input images. So, okay, let's try to work with what we have here. And we have already ran our first prompt. So let's ran these models against our um, other prompt. Okay, so I just copied these images. I'm not gonna run it because it is still attached to our first prompt. I'll just delete that connection or remove that connection, and then we'll just connect it to this prompt to our three images for SeaDream, NanoBanana, REV, and I'll just select them all and click on Run All. Okay, so while they are running, I'll just copy them and then again connect them to my third prompts, because let's try to see what are the different images or the variety of images that we can generate with these different prompts. Okay, so I've removed the connection from second prompt, connected, now connecting these images to third prompt, select them all, run them. Okay, so they are running. The first result is there, so I think this is cool. It's still life sneaker, still life shot. Then we have fashion action shot by SeaDream. Okay, I think it's taking time. Okay, it's here. I think this is good as well. And this is from REVE. It's sort of a top down or top angle shot. So I think that's also nice. And then we have okay, this is a retro theme shot inside a roller rink. Okay, so it is a shot of a roller rink, but I don't think this will make sense because these shoes don't have roller skate underneath. So even though it looks cool, it's fancy, but yeah. So let's copy them. Let's try these images with our fourth prompt, deleting the connection again, and that's fine. Let's connect this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. Select them all, run them all. Did I click on it? Yeah, I already clicked on it, sorry. And then I'll just copy this. and try to run our final prompt. And in 5 or something minutes, we have how many images? 15 images? Yeah, let's run them. Okay, so we have architectural photography sort of shot. Okay, this is nice. However, I don't think the size is, um, yeah, the size doesn't make sense because the shoes cannot be this big. That's fine. This is a bit dramatic, but it can maybe work. This is fine, but yeah, the shoes are way too far. Okay, here we have nighttime sneaker photo. I think I like this. We have a reflection as well, and here we have SeaDream, which is about to generate. Let's wait for that. REVE has already generated the image. Okay, it's fine. Wow, SeaDream has probably made the output or given us a very cool output because now we can see the reflection of the shoe, probably like much more than NanoBanana, and these both these shots are really nice. So yeah, here is this workflow that we quickly built. We have one product, we generated two prompts, or we used two LLM nodes and generated some analysis, and then we connected these two nodes to another text node or LLM node, which then created five prompts. And then we clicked on this button, got our individual prompts, connected these prompts to the AI image edit models, NanoBanana, SeaDream, REV, and here we have at least uh, 4 or 5 workable images within 10 minutes. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Cheers.